their own. मतलब आपके जो मोंटेंसरी टूल्स होते हैं इससे क्या होता है बेसिकली आपकी ग्रिपिंग पावर अच्छी होती है, हैंड एंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन होता है, आपके कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर होते हैं, प्ले करते करते आपके कंसेप्ट्स जो हैं वो क्लियर होते हैं.
Grapes. Okay, is it clear? Then next fruit is orange. Here write name here, orange. O for orange. Then third fruit is pear. I paste pear in this wooden. Okay, now arrange 1. Next is how many rings? 2. 1 and 2. Now I put in 2. Okay, here is 1 and here is 2. Next is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I arrange 1, 2 and 3. Next is 4. Now I put inside first 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Next is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, first we put outside and then put in one by one with the help of counting. 1, 2. Fast. Fast supported word is slow. Next is hot. Tea is very hot. Next is cold. Ice cream is very cold. Next is near, pass mein. And they hurt is very far. Okay. So they are all opposite words, and how to join this? First you read the word heavy and next picture is light. Clear?